Right guys, I'm just going to cut a window sill now for my bay windows. So my old sill didn't quite fit the same way and I need the extra thickness for the insulated board. So what I'm going to show you today is how I'm going to cut the board for here. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm cutting from this edge here all the way to there. I'm not going to do any of the angles yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut one full piece going into there, and then I will get an offcut piece, and then I'll find out exactly where the angle is, and then I'll cut the angle from there. But right, so let's just cut this first one. So if any of you didn't know, the good thing about saws is that this area here, you can actually use it as a square so that you can actually get your marks on. That's perfectly square there. Also, that's perfect. This one here is actually a perfect 45 degrees if you ever need that. That's kind of a useful tip to have. That's all cut for there now. So what I'm going to do is, you see, you get the second piece over. So what I've done is I've got a mark here. This is where it's always going to get difficult. This is where I've got to cut around the stones. But what I've done is I'm using a bit of plasterboard that I've roughly got to where I want it to be. And now I have a template now to use. So I can use that going on here. So all I'm going to do, I know where that is now and I have a template. So if you are struggling with little areas where you want to do it, use some plasterboard. Plasterboard's a great way of getting really awkward bits and actually sorting it out before you actually do a cut. Right guys, just showing you a little trick I'm using for rounding these. I'm just using this. It's giving it a nice, just to put a slight curve on it. You can use a plane, but I find it's a lot easier just to get a slight one on. I've done it there as well. You can see here. Right guys, this sill is now ready to go on. What I'm actually going to do with this one is I'm going to stick it on with some drywall adhesive. It's going to be the easiest way for me to get this all nice and level. So that's how I'm going to do it. I'll go mix some drywall now. But yeah, it's going to look nice. Alright, so I've just mixed a bit of drywall. I've just stuck it down. I'm just going to stick it all on now. So if you can see what I'm doing here, I am just forcing some of the drywall just a bit further back in, just because when you push it down, some of it will try and come over the brickwork, so it's just worth pushing some in. Obviously it goes without saying that you need to get your levels, making sure that it's all going to work well. I've got a bit of wood that I've put in just to try and push some of it up if it needs to go up in a few areas. This is just to really help pack it out if it needs going in. So that's pretty much it now. It's all pretty good to go. I'm just going to let it all set. Right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you found any of the information that I've given you useful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I drop videos every Tuesday and I do a variety of different videos all on plastering, on different things that I get up to. So there'll be some tutorials, there's going to be some videos on some of the jobs that I've been doing lately, and I'll be doing some reviews on some new gear and also some new products as well. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, every Tuesday. Cheers guys, see you on the next video. Bye.